Hello, friends. Have you ever thought what is the effective communication or how to make communication effective? So, here are the seven ingredients of an effective communication. If you keep or mix these seven ingredients into the communication, then it will be very effective. So, what are these seven ingredients of an effective communication? Number one is completeness. Whatever message you want to deliver, it should be complete in all aspects. The message must be based on facts. And if a message is complex, then some additional information or explanation should be given along with the message for effective communication. Number two is concreteness. For business communication, message should be clear and should be concrete. It should be often supported by some factual material such as research data and figures, etc. And nothing should be out of imagination. Number three is courtesy. In addition to considering the feelings and points of target group, it is also important to approach the audience in a friendly and courteous manner. Whatever terms we use, we should show respect for the receiver, contribute towards effective communication. Number four is correctness. Correct use of language has the preference. In written business communication, grammatical error must be avoided. A correct use of language increases trustworthiness and the receiver will feel that they are taken seriously. Next comes clarity. Clear or plain language is characterized by explicitness. Short sentences and concrete words, fuzzy language is absolutely forbidden. So, by avoiding parentheses and keeping to the point, the receiver will get a clear picture of the content of the message. Next is consideration. Communicating with the target group should be taken into consideration. In order to communicate well, it is important to relate the target group which are involved. By taking the audience into account, the message can be related to them. Next is conciseness. A message is clear when the storyline is consistent and when this does not contain any inconsistencies. When facts are mentioned, it is important that there is consistent supporting information. Other than these seven C's, there are two more ingredients of effective communication which we often overlook. Number one is creativity and number two is credibility. These two factors also plays important role in effective communication. What is creativity? A text will be lively when the words and sentence structures are used creatively and when short sentences are alternated with longer sentences. Creativity is especially important in text in which search words are used. What is credibility? By creating an atmosphere of trust in a conversation or text, we add credibility to the message. This can be achieved by a clear and striking tone, which indicates that the information what we are discussing contains the right information. So, to make communication effective, we should follow all the 7 ingredients along with the 2 additional ingredients. So, if we will use these 7 ingredients plus 2 ingredients, total 9 ingredients in our communication effectively, then we will be able to address our audience with effectiveness and credibility. Thanks.